what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a massive amount of traffic in just 5 easy steps. Watch this! The first thing I need you to do is go to spyfu.com. Spyfu is the easiest tool to use to get traffic to my websites. All right, guys, so in today's video, I'm using the keyword criminal lawyer. So as I scroll down, the first real website that I see is Jeffrey Lichtman. So I click the website, I get the address, I copy it, and I bring it over to SpyFu. Now remember something, I have a website right now, I'm a criminal attorney, I'm not really getting a lot of traffic. How am I supposed to get traffic to my website? Keywords were already invented and traffic was already invented. You just need to know where to go to find it, and SpyFu is a great tool for that. So when you put Jeffrey Lichtman in the search on SpyFu, you just click top pages here on the left-hand side. And you will notice that New York City arrest warrant lawyer gets 866 clicks per month. So I want to create a page that's better than Jeffrey Lichtman's page, and I want to give more information. I'm going to copy all this content, and I want to see how many words are on this page. Come over to this website called wordcounter.net. You just click that word counter, right click and paste. It says we have 919 words on this page. And the most popular words are arrest and warrant and New York City. I need to create an article that's better than this one. So we come over to a couple of websites where you could get questions. One is called Quora. You could use this website called Answer the Public. I, however, use this website called Phrase. I think it's a very good tool to have. So I just scroll here on the right side and I just find a bunch of questions. See this? Paste outline. These are all the questions that I want to answer. You have to remember, when you're doing SEO or you're trying to rank, you need to have the best answers for that search term. Once you have the best answers and you have the best article written, like salt on a steak, that gives it more taste. You want to make sure that when you create a page, people are staying on the page. That's the first thing. It's answering the question and it satisfies the search. It ends the search. They don't go search anywhere else because your page had all the information. So once you get your outline, you need to send that outline. So one of the websites you could send the outline to is a writing website called Composely. They are very good writers. You could get 1,000 words, excellent content, right? Or you could go over to iWriter and you could go over to Fiverr and you could find a writer who could write the content. So you have your content written and you installed it in WordPress, but you're still not finished. The next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your content is optimized. You need to use a program like Page Optimizer Pro. You could use another website called inlinks.net. And the thing that I like about inlinks is you could write separate article pages and link to that page to juice that page up. It will let you know the pages to write, and it will let you know your content score. And then this is a plugin called Rank Math, and this checks the keywords on the article that you just created. So once you finish and optimize the article, let it sit for a little while. Post it on your social media, link back to that keyword page. You could start making some links that way, going to those pages. If you'd like to work with us, please call us. My numbers are right here. We'll be happy to work with you. We do a free local SEO evaluation for your website. Thank you, guys.